Alright, hello, good day. So today in Rennes there is a braderie, so that's a flea market I guess, but I think it's only for individuals, not for professionals. So I asked one of my best friends if she wanted to come, but this morning, but she woke up super late and I woke up super late too. So we decided to go this afternoon, so we're going to check this out. I'm going to take this camera, which is the Lumix S5, but people are there to shop and sell things, so I don't want to bother people too much, so I'm just going to take the Lumix S5, but not the tripod and not the microphone. So yeah, I'm just going to try to capture some details. That's also my topic for this month, it's to focus on the details. Alright, so I'm finishing lunch and then I'm going there.
Non, j'ai pas de feutre bleu sur moi. Désolée.
Alright, so I kind of want to try this thing. I've never tried it before, just to see if it's easy or not, and if the result is nice or not. So I found 3 shirts for 10 euros. I think the guy just wanted to get rid of everything, so I was like, I'm interested in those 3, what's the price? I wanted like the individual price, he was like 10 euros. Okay, maybe I could have shown him like 5 shirts and it would have been like 10 euros. I'm gonna have to wash them though before wearing them. I know they are too big. I couldn't really try them, it was so busy and everything. But they are basically very thick, so they can be worn as shirt or overshirts, and that would be great. Yeah, red one because I have a lot of blue shirts. I really love blue shirts, but I need more diversity. This one really nice, and it's really soft too. And finally, the blue denim overshirts, because they're always nice. And same again, just too big, but yeah, that's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna need to wash this one too. I really didn't film a lot. I didn't take any photos, I think. So I don't think that will make one video. I'm going to make one video with yesterday and today because I have things to do today too and things to show you actually. And the reason for that is like first it was like super busy, like really busy. Like I had to, because at some point I was standing right like this and like somebody pushed me and like I threw basically my arm against some lady's butt. Like it was really crowded. So like not really a great thing to. So we were just being pushed around and yeah, and we were also focusing on like the shops and stuff. And then on top of that, I had not seen my friend for like months, basically since I moved to Rennes. So yeah, I was just really happy to see her and we talked a lot and stuff. So basically I wasn't focused on my camera at all. I even put the camera back into my bag at some point because it was just crowded, as I said, and we just talked, so yeah, I was just really happy to see her. Really happy about those 3 shirts for 10 euros. That's a great deal. Yeah! So yeah, and I have things to do this afternoon. I got a little parcel that's arrived. It's nothing important, but it's still a great book, so I just wanted to show you like super quickly. Ooh, stickers. Ooh, that's a magnet actually. Completely forgot what kind of goodies were in there. That was like, how do you say, like crowdfunding project. I chose the most basic pack, I think, with just the book. Oh, it's wonderful actually, wow. Ciné-Monstrous by Boulet. If you don't know Boulet, like, you should know him. Boulet in French, it's like a cannonball, but it's also used as sort of like a childish insult when you want to say that someone is like, yeah, like if you want to say that someone is like slow and stupid, that's what you would say. And that's basically his artist's name. That's not his real name. Ciné-Monstrous. It's basically, he took photos he sort of pretended like he was in a Pokemon Go, but like monster, like real life monsters version. So like he took photos with his phone and then he drew like monsters on top of them. That's really, I have to say, the cover is really like this golden, look, all shiny. That is great, that is great. Anyway, so I'm not going to do a book review, that's not the point of today's video. Today's video is a bit of a mess, but that's okay, I guess. Sometimes it will be a bit of a mess. It is nearly 3 p.m. I'm just back from grocery shopping and now I need to go out to collect some film rolls. 4 film rolls that I have, and I also need to check out some sort of art store just to see what they have so that I can buy some stuff in order to organize my film photos. So about the desk supplies, I just didn't find what I wanted, or it was more expensive, so I would just go into like the regular supermarket to find what I want. And about the photos, it's not really great. So the first one was a roll of film that I've put in my Voigtlander. So the second roll that I'm trying on in this camera, and basically there were only 7 photos where there was actually something. All the rest were basically just black. So I will make a video anyway about this specific roll of photos. But yeah, he told me that maybe the problem was it just doesn't work, because when I took photos, the noise that it made wasn't like always a proper click. The guy told me that a possibility is that it doesn't work at certain speeds. So I will have to make some tests, but yeah, we'll talk more about this in the specific video. So I'll make videos anyway for each one of those. They will have all their specific videos, but I just wanted to show you like very briefly. It's not so bad. The ones that I do have are like not so bad, but I will show you the proper scans in the proper videos. And now that seems to be the first roll of film for Dublin, taken on my Canon Prima Super 105. So that seems great. I will show you the proper scans again. Okay, we've got some stuff. Yeah, we've got some stuff. That seems great. This camera is reliable, and I've had this camera since I was a child. So yeah, I will show you all the scans properly in the videos about Dublin. Some more about Dublin there. Great. Oh, that looks great. The clouds look fantastic. Like, look at this, the clouds, fantastic. Yeah, some nice stuff in there. I'm happy, like, I'm annoyed that this one didn't work with the Voigtlander, but I would rather have like no photos on a roll of film that was meant to be a test anyway, rather than having issues with the photos from Dublin, because I really had expectations from this trip. So yeah, the end of the roll of film that I did for like the details, and it is looking great, those details. So that's the end of Dublin, and then its details, and it seems that it's looking great. I was afraid it would be just too dark or something, but like, no, that is looking great. Or sometimes, yeah, too close, that might be the issue there, too close, just not handling well. But yeah, we've got the details. We've got some photos with the flash there. Ooh, blurry, yeah. Anyway, I will show you all that in the proper the proper videos. You just had like a little sneak peek at it, but I would do proper videos about this. And yeah, I have they are printed, but I also have the scans, the digital scans, so that would be better to show you in the videos. So that was overall 2 very great days. Very fun with my friend yesterday, very nice to see her, and today it doesn't feel really productive today because I really wasn't that much in front of my laptop. But the day is not finished, it's 5 p.m. I'm rather happy with the photos that I'm seeing there. So that's good. Right, so I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.